What's cracking, guys? Tamarindo here again on the update on the EP3. Remember, wing is on. This is the next day. We ended up picking up something for it, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Cha-ching! We picked up a engine cold air intake. So this one goes under the wheel well, something like that. So it's going to clean up the engine bay. It's super nice. You guys remember... This way. This one's actually broken right here, so it didn't even really work. So yeah, and I ended up, let me see, so yeah, let's go ahead and, you know what, I should probably take off the axle. My axle came in already. What time is it? All right, guys, so right now we're quickly gonna take off the axle so we can go ahead and take this axle to go get a new one, because this one's broken. As you guys watch this, it's not supposed to do this. So it has play in it, so every time I turn it goes
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
That shit's hella annoying. So we're gonna go ahead and go take that axle to get exchanged, since I bought the warranty on them. Fine. So let's quickly go ahead and do that. 1922, 17, and a 17 on the bottom, and then these two are 17s also, I believe, or 19s. Are they 19s? 17s. So 17, 17, 17, 17, 22s, 19. So let's go ahead, quickly do that, and bam. Sheesh, guys. Shout out to the people at O'Reilly's. I made it with like 5 minutes. They got me in and out with a brand new axle real quick, and ended up getting the crank seal, because we're gonna end up doing this on the car because it's leaking. So let's go ahead and roll out home. Sheesh. All right, here we go. That's how I did it, guys. Left it on at the bottom. Let's go ahead and looks like that seal is leaking a little bit. Let's go ahead, throw it in, and let's do this thing. All right, guys, I had to set you guys down since I needed both hands to get this axle on. It was honestly pretty tough. Don't forget to take off your nut at the top, guys, or else it won't go in. But yeah, push it in. Wasn't going in, so I had to put you guys at the bottom, see what was going up, and then I was shoving, no luck. I was like, what the heck is going on? Then I set myself at a different angle, got it right here, and really shoved it in there, bam, 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 and I got it. All right, here we go, guys. Come on this side, quick, I don't have all day. Go, run.
No mames, güey.
No, dude, if there was a zombie apocalypse, we would have died already.
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
Con esas huevonadas. Yeah, guys, right here, I was telling my brother, I was like, hurry up, pero no se ponen las pilas, pues. Pero ya la pusimos, guys. Bien acomodadita right here. Yes, sir. We're getting it done. And we're going to jump right into it. Boom. Just like that. All right, guys, I got it in. What up, meter este güey? Or just face it, there you go. La mera neta, no sé qué estaba pasando aquí, because I was smacking that thing and nada. Parecía que pinche no cabía el pinche tornillo, pero you already know me. Con esas manotas, esa maña que tengo, y la guacha. Que se meta con ganas, papá. Hit it with the hammer. And boom. Ahí tuvo, guys. Así de facilón. There we go. Ahí está. I'll get my 2 bolt skis. Oh. That motor that you see in there is the Loctite, or those Loxies or anti-Cs, whatever you want to call it. No. But No manchen, guys. Right here was pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie. These bolts were not wanting to go in. But you know me, you know me. I got them magic hands. Sooner or later, I got them. Boom, just like that. Metí el primero. Next up, next one goes at the bottom. Got that going. Call me Stephen Curry. Sheesh, never miss. Bah, ew. But yeah, ahorita we're gonna, once we get this tightened up, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the impact right there in the middle nut for the axle. Boom. It was a 32. Pero sí, ahí está la cosa. Remember, you guys have to hit it with a flathead so you can get that crease inside of the bolt so the axle doesn't unscrew. We're going quick, guys. We're going quick. There's the matraca with the 14. It's not 14. All right, ahí les va la pinche explicación, the explication, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, right here I was using my torque wrench, torque it down, boom, got it in. And I was like, oh, dang, I forgot to tighten the top of it. So I used the impact. Got that bad boy. The bottom too. You know you got to hit these with the impact because they need to be tight. And you can't really mess up. So yeah, ahí está la cosa. Next up, we had the electric ratchet. Hit it from the back. But honestly, guys, don't rely on this thing too much because this thing does not tighten that crazy. Go ahead and torque those down to spec. Pa, pa. Had to get under there porque, you know, la pinche pasta sorba. So I was like freaking out right there. Like, ugh. I got like a little cramp, but then por abajo era como si nada. Okay. And then make sure everything is good. Change the axle. Whew. Go ahead, just put this one back on. We're actually not gonna put it down yet until. No manches, ya andaba bien cansado. Ya ni ganas tenía de platicar en el video. La mera neta. I was already ready. I was calling in a night. Ya me dolía el lomo, la rodilla, las manos, la lonja, todo. Ahorita andaba bien mayugado. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys learned something in the video. I hope you guys learned how to take out an axle and put it back in. Everything that you need to torque down. You know, you got to be safe on that thing, guys. Porque si se le sale la llanta, no hay truena. But yeah, guys, we're not going to go ahead and put it together into the next video. Como dice una chiquitita por ahí. Chao, chao.